Lately you say I changed, became someone that you don't even know, but I just tell you I'm the same. Maybe I need space to grow so I can feel the pain, cause they say you don't know what you got till it goes away. Just feel your face shaking your head, no, nah, I feel so ashamed, but I don't know what to say. You crying out, please don't go, I just want you to stay, like Tank or Rihanna saying. But see, honestly, I just can't find a way to find the strength to find another try today. I gotta leave, and it hurts me to say it, but I guarantee to prove the point you can make it without me, and I'll always love you regardless of what you think. And girl, believe me, it ain't easy to know I just left you there singing, where'd you go?
I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. But you can't go. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. But you can't go. It's gonna come.
So on the outside I moved on, but inside it feels like this was a cheap move, like clipping coupons, but it had to be done, cause my happiness seemed achievable, but I felt chores was unreasonable, so I got me a new chick. But come on, don't be stupid, this new chick was really just a new friend I could flirt and be cool with. I think me and her both knew this, but I doubt that you did. You probably thought we was screwing, so why wouldn't you do it, right? But at night, when I lay down trying to sleep, I close my eyes, your face is all I can see. I drift off to wake up, then realize that you're not next to me. I guess I just wonder if I cross your mind and you still think,
Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. But you can't go. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. But you can't go. It's gonna come.
and now I'm really having second thoughts, feeling bad and regretful for the things that I never did or never bought. But now it's too late, cause I pushed you away, probably to the arms of someone who can keep a smile on your face. But how could I blame you for my own stupid mistake? A choice that I made, now ultimately the price has been paid. But I just want you back, ain't it crazy how things change? Tears for my face, now it's my turn to stop and say,
Where'd you go?